सॉरी गाइस, मेरा स्टोरेज ख़त्म हो गया था. आई हैव अ बेसिक फ़ोन एंड माई स्टोरेज गॉट depleted. So I have to record part 2 of the video. So nervous, excited. Let me sip my. By the way, this is like home remedy. I have put tulsi along with turmeric powder, milk, a bit of sugar. So I hope my cough gets better. Okay, it's time to decide the fate of what's going to happen in Bihar elections. Based on comes like what comes out in my tarot reading. So let's so now I will shuffle it. I so different tarot card readers, they follow like there are many methods, so I am following my method, which is not like mine. It's not invented by me. I have learned it. Like if you learn tarot reading, you will come across few options to read on the table. There are different ways, so I chose one and I'm going to do today according to it. So let's. So there are three major political parties: India Gathbandhan, and second is NDA, in which there is LJP, JDU. I guess the coalition. So I will pull the cards for the coalition NDA plus JDU plus LJP. Uh, Three of them all together. So that would I would name it NDA, जिसमें कि LJP रहेगी और RJD, sorry, LJP, JDU and BJP. So NDA, I guess. Oh, how can I? NDA is the coalition, the name of the coalition, and the second one is India Gathbandhan, which is RJD, Congress. I don't know if there are some other minor parties in it, and the third would be uh, the newest one, which is the Jan Suraj party. So I will pull cards for three of them. So first of all, I will pull the cards for इंडिया गठबंधन, विच हैज़ जिनके अलायंस में है आरजेडी, कांग्रेस और कुछ, शायद मुझे नहीं पता, और कुछ माइनर पार्टीज़ अगर उस कोलिशन में है तो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल पुल द कार्ड्स फॉर देम. So spirits, ancestors, please tell me what are their intentions, what are the intentions of India Gathbandhan for Bihar. What are the intentions of India Gathbandhan for Bihar? What are the intentions of India Gathbandhan for Bihar? Spirits, ancestors, please guide me. Okay, so I will show you. I don't know how to show it. So I have put three decks. Three. It has cards in reversed forms, and I have to. I will choose one as India Gadbandhan. I will choose the other as Jan Suraj Party, and the third one as NDA. So let's start. Okay, this one I choose as the middle one. I choose as the one for India Gadbandhan. This one I choose as NDA, and this one I choose for Jan Suraj Party, which I will shuffle a bit later. So first, let's spread these cards. Sorry guys. Yes, matlab next time I will arrange, like I will arrange a better angle. Today I feel it's like it's no good. I today is Navratri also, like starting of Navratri. So I thought it's a good day to start my tarot reading also. So I thought I have to record it. Actually, I finished learning, like practicing just today, and obviously, I will also keep revising. There are some tarot card readers in in every profession or skill. The more you practice, the more you become skilled and expert at it. So, obviously, I will improve, but as a beginner, let's let's okay. Spirits, ancestors, please let me pick three cards which reveal the intentions of India Gadbandhan in the upcoming Bihar elections. Let me choose three cards. Okay, so the cards which I have got is this. I will show you. So let me do like this. So the card for the past. So when you pick three cards, one shows the past, present, and future. So I have got Page of Cups for past, which I will explain a bit later what does it signify. I have got tower for the present, and I have got eight of wands for the future. So, well, it's quite surprising that in the present it's showing tower, which is quite strange because they are campaigning, they are having a heavy campaign. अभी वोटर अधिकार यात्रा भी निकली थी उनकी. But what I have, maybe this tower, so the tower is for the present. So tower means anything which is based on lies, it falls down. So, maybe what does it signify is their current situation in Bihar is not good. Like in the present, India Gadbandhan. So the tower is the present scenario, which is not good. So the past is Page of Cups. So Page of Cups is basically like as if some good news is coming in, which can open heart. So what the good news could be? Guys, let me take help from my. I'm joking. Let me take a bit of help from my diary. So, because it doesn't, for me, it is not making sense that how their past looks better than the present. So, let me just. Uh, okay, so it also means that s- um, जिसके बारे में भी ये कार्ड निकला है, दैट पर्सन और ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल नीड्स प्लानिंग एंड ग्राउंडिंग. दे नीड ग्राउंडिंग एंड प्लानिंग, मतलब हवाबाजी नहीं, नारेबाजी नहीं. सो मे बी दिस कार्ड सिग्निफाइज कि पास्ट में उन्होंने ऐसा किया है कि पेज ऑफ कप्स मीनिंग गुड न्यूज़ कमिंग इन, हम ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे, मतलब ये जिसको बोलते हैं खोखले वादे. सो पास्ट में इन्होंने ऐसा किया है. बट उसकी इस कार्ड का एक और भी है कि नीड सॉलिड ग्राउंडिंग एंड प्लानिंग. तो अगर वो मिसिंग है तो फिर दे डोंट एम्बॉडी द मैसेज, फुल मैसेज ऑफ दिस कार्ड. तो आई थिंक वही सिचुएशन बन रही है कि उन्होंने ऐसे जो अनाउंस करते हैं चुनाव से पहले, गुड न्यूज़ कमिंग इन, बट अगर इट नीड्स सॉलिड प्लानिंग एंड ग्राउंडिंग, तो पास्ट में उन्होंने शायद दोनों में थोड़ा थोड़ा एफर्ट डाला है. बट इट्स लाइक समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट लाइक वेरी मैच्योर्ड. इट्स पेज इज़ लाइक बिगिनिंग ऑफ. But the future card is positive actually. So future card is 8 of wands. So 8 of wands means